All right, we thank God for this opportunity to take a look at a quick market update right here. Okay, when we zoom in, we see the market is actually on a good downtrend. But if we zoom out on the short time frame, on the 5 minute time frame, we're looking at the market right here, where we are right now. We can see clearly that the market has actually pushed up a little bit and now making a move down to sell. A good point to sell right here. Let's take it away. I put this blue bar right at the top here first. Okay, we're seeing the market actually make a good down move and push a little bit up and sell down again. A nice lower lows and higher lows there, and went back to the same zone. It went back to almost to the zone again at a little bit of a resistance level. Um, right here, creating this new resistance. It was spot level, but it got broken. Now a new resistance level. And I went back to it again, and you have a good touch there. And went back again, have a touch again, and we're waiting to see a confirmation. And we wait to sell the market at this long bearish candle right here, and we put our first one is to 1.5 right there, and this is how we're going to sell this market right there. And that take a little longer time frame to hit the one is 1.5, but we gotta wait for that. And as I go through it, they take a long time. We may probably get out with a little loss or a little win, and before the next trade also happened very well here. But any one of them will be a very good trade. So meaning you can take this trade here, and I don't suggest you wait for this long time. I suggest you get out and get in back again, because you're scalping. You don't need a whole trade more than 5 hours and all this. I do 3 hours sometimes maximum, but here we go. It takes more than that. So you get out and get in back again, and you make that profit just simply by obeying. This is clearly a double top pattern. You hit it first and hit it back again. About to sell, you see your confirmation long bullish, a bearish candle, and you sell right there. And you see that the market actually make a new let's say a new resistance level right here, and here it is. And you can see clearly that market failed to make a higher high to continue an uptrend. So bearish candle is formed right here and have a nice body, and you can take a trade on that based on that, and you make a profit on that. And that was a good one there. And after that, to wishing that there were new resistance level that's formed at the top here, the market went back very quickly and start selling down and went back again, having this inside symmetrical triangle. And this pattern is also part of the market structure. So showing these things, you wait to see confirmation, and we see a good bearish candle here, and that confirms the market is about to sell. And we sell, put a stop loss almost here because we went in a little bit late. So, but we made it on this one also. That is also very good. The market had a very good downtrend, and after that, an amazing thing happened that we look for, and this is a huge bullish candle. This is a bread and butter. Like when you see this thing, the market, and we become so happy that this is it. It's about to get more bullish. So we get in a trade on that, put us couple loss like 1/3 of it, and it went very well. And after that, we see a huge bearish candle again. Oh wow, that's a really cool move down there. And we saw the market also right there, and it went very well. We have a good trade in this market. And the trend now tends to be completely a downtrend, as it is on the bigger picture. And here it is that we're seeing more bearish moves. So we're waiting to see everything clearly, see confirmation candle. The market is actually resting here. This is the resistance level at the top here. This is a new resistance level. And we wait to see this bearish candle form out. And we see it clearly. And the oscillator at the bottom also confirming the market is standing. We get in there. We get out real quick. And it is indeed a scalping strategy. So we look up for another support level. And we find a support level right here. The market hit it again and came back to the same zone again. We started making, we wait to see a bullish candle confirming. So we wait all this while to see this bullish candle to get in the market. And this bullish candle give us a little faith that the market is about to get bullish. And it did work. and our prediction worked very well. Now here we are. We are in the market again. I'm still believing this market will get bullish, and this is possible to sell as well because the zone where it hitting as a resistance level is the same again, looking something like a double top pattern or something like that. But anyway, we're not going to get those patterns exactly. So it is a double top. Hit it again and hit it again. But I'm not looking for a sell because I believe market is getting bullish. I'm expecting a cool bullish candle to get in, but I believe this market will also maybe play a little bit down like this before continue to move up, or maybe we'll have a huge sell candle down here, and maybe we may continue the downtrend. Anyway, overall trend right now in the market is a downtrend, so we expect more selling in the market than buying. But I just have a sense of a feeling that I gotta buy this market. So I'm waiting. It's completely waiting time. So I'm waiting for it for the move to show up, and I will buy. So those are the basic rules that we are trying to follow to buy the market and sell the market. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure you do follow. See you in the next one.